And we've got with us here Miss Polomi.
Yeah.
You know, earlier on we were talking about her name. I thought it was Follow Me. And I thought it was a wonderful name. So Polomi. How did you get your name, Polomi? Is that a typical Indian name?
Not typical Indian name. My mom given this name.
Okay.
This name is actually very different. Its
Right.
meaning is like queen.
So there's a meaning.
Yeah.
And it means queen.
Yeah.
Wow, well, there you are, ladies and gentlemen. We always learn new things every time. Okay, Polomi, how did you find out about this pageant?
One of my friends, she already contacted with Rami.
Okay.
So she told me that it's a good pageant, so you
Okay.
can just go and join. So I said, okay, no problem.
Wonderful. Is this the first pageant you're
No,
joining? Oh, you've
before-
joined before.
before,
Okay.
yeah.
Here in UAE.
Yeah.
Which was the last one
I
you
won
joined?
Miss UAE Fitness Queen 2022.
Wow, fitness queen. Okay. Oh yeah, that's another thing. A bird told me that you're also an entrepreneur. You're a businesswoman, right?
Yeah.
What do you do?
I have my own gym here in Dubai.
Okay. Where about?
In Dubai.
In Dubai. Okay. So for those of you who'd like to go to a gym and become as sexy as Polomi here, all you have to do is go to her gym, and it's in Dubai. Okay.
Yeah.
Now, Polomi, tell me, for you, your personal opinion, there are some people who think that beauty pageants are exploiting women. Would you agree or disagree on this statement?
I may disagree with this. Actually, it's not like that.
Mhm.
If you have talent, you can show your
Your talent.
Talent. That's
Yeah,
all.
yeah.
Nothing
And if you're
else.
beautiful, you can
then
show
you
your
can show
beautiful.
your beautifulness. You can tell something about yourself. If you have confidence, you can show. Like,
Mhm.
show
Yeah.
to everyone. That's
Yeah, and also Miss Universe is one of the pageant in which they have wonderful. How should I put it? They have wonderful things in the society, an addition to the society, or they have they make some action when it comes to different type of what you wanted, right? So the same thing with me. I don't think that it's an exploitation at all.
No, this is the what you have. This is the good platform actually. If
Mhm.
you use in good things,
Yes.
you feel good.
Yes.
Because see, if I tell to someone something about the world, they not listen to me. But if I want the Miss
If
Universe,
you're the Miss Universe,
then everyone is
then
listening to
everyone
me. Me tell
listens.
to me, oh no, she is the Miss Universe. So everyone is everyone is giving me attention full.
Yes.
So this is the good platform to join and you show yourself and show your confidence. That's all. Nothing
Wonderful.
else.
So at least you've already experienced joining beauty pageant, so this is something very easy for you, right?
Not easy. Every day is a new chance. Every day is a different learning point.
Yes.
So.
And it's nice to have all these beautiful ladies
Yes.
with you as well, right?
Yeah.
And you start to have this wonderful friendship among yourselves.
Yes, that's
Thank you very much.
Yes, thank you.
It was
Thank you.
lovely talking to
Yeah,
you,
thank you
and
so much.
good luck for the pageant.
Yeah.
And I'm sure you're going to enjoy the wonderful journey of the Miss Universe India UAE.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you so
All
much.
right. And